This is a black currant. Well, it's a different black currant in a way that we know it. It is standard size, means that from above 1 meter, then the branches are started. It has been trained to look like that. So practically when you are sitting or standing, it's easy to harvest it. And that is what I'm doing now. So every year, this is the first black currant. I mean, we were eating this from 1 month ago, probably from late May. We are now in early July. So it has a good season of the harvest. And when you sit beside it, it's so aromatic, the leaves of it. I use it in the tea, and they're perfect, the fresh leaves from the tip of the plant. It's kind of this. This is the biggest we can use, or a smaller one. But they're so aromatic. Oh, so beautiful, freshness. It smells like summer. Or should I say summers that we had when we were a kid. Being free from everything. So I will continue to enjoy this harvesting, and then you can eat it fresh because blackcurrant tastes somehow slightly salty, but it's also sweet and sour. It has all these different flavors in one tiny package. So far, I think I've harvested around 250 grams, or half a pound. And this was the arrangement I was using. Sitting here, this is the standard black currant.